Welcome to BLK Crypto Queen, your go-to channel for all things crypto and finance. Today we're exploring one of the most exciting trends in the crypto world, DeFi, or Decentralized Finance. Whether you're new to crypto or just curious about what DeFi is, this video is for you. Let's dive in.
So what exactly is DeFi? DeFi stands for Decentralized Finance, a system that allows people to access financial services like borrowing, lending, and trading without relying on traditional banks or financial institutions.
Instead of using banks as intermediaries, DeFi operates on blockchain networks, primarily Ethereum. It uses smart contracts, self-executing programs that automatically enforce agreements. Sounds futuristic? Well, it's already here and changing how we think about money.
DeFi applications, also called dApps, decentralized applications, allow users to manage their assets directly through digital wallets. No middleman required. Everything happens transparently on the blockchain, making transactions secure and traceable.
Think of it like this. Instead of asking a bank for a loan, you can borrow crypto directly from others through a DeFi platform. And all of it happens securely using smart contracts.
Let's highlight some key features that make DeFi so revolutionary. Open access. Anyone with an internet connection can participate. No need for credit checks or approvals. Transparency. All transactions are recorded publicly on the blockchain. Flexibility. Users can lend, borrow, trade, and earn interest at any time from anywhere. Ownership. You have full control over your funds. No need to trust banks or intermediaries.
And that's just the beginning. From stablecoins to yield farming and liquidity pools, DeFi is opening up endless opportunities.
Of course, with great opportunity comes risk. DeFi platforms are still relatively new, so there are concerns about smart contract bugs, scams, and market volatility. It's important to do your research and only invest what you can afford to lose.
Always use trusted wallets, double-check website addresses, and consider spreading your investments across different platforms to minimize risk.
And there you have it, DeFi explained. It's a whole new world of financial freedom and we're just scratching the surface.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more beginner-friendly crypto guides from BLK Crypto Queen. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Soft outro music with channel logo animation.